What it do? Hope you guys are doing good. I made $147, $150 trading the S&P 500. All right, let's find out how I did that today, because yesterday I had a terrible day. There was no CRT today. No CRT. So I just checked the 4 and 1 hour trends to see where my bias was going to be. They were both technically bearish, but the 1 hour had like ripped upwards already at like, let's see. Yeah, pre-market swept around 9:15. That hourly liquidity. So we had a pre-market sweep, so I was already like, fuck. But yeah, let me not get ahead of myself. 4 hour was bearish, but it started to look bullish. 1 hour, even more bullish because we just hadn't closed yet, so I couldn't exactly trust it. So I went to the 15 and marked out the 8 a.m. opening range. But as you can see, I didn't even take that trade because we just started ripping upwards. It never came back down to retest any of this. Yeah. So we just go to the 5 minute. And we were just ripping. I wasn't even expecting to take a trade, but I had a long present itself. This is a great example of why you shouldn't marry your bias, because if I had taken a short at these fair value gaps, then it would have been really bad. But that is not what happened. So we come up and we hadn't swept out like previous day highs or like previous session highs. So it made sense that we would target these. We made a 15-minute, I think that's a bullish. We marked that out. Marked out the 5-minute one. This is where we get juicy. Okay, we just hit a nice clean fill on this fair value gap, and it shows buy pressure out of it. And then 3-minute consolidation. It was kind of scary just looking at that while I was in the trade. I took the trade off of this inversion right here. Yeah. That's exactly what. Oh, wait, no, I'm sorry. This inversion right here. We had a 1 minute fair value gap get inversed. When this closed, I waited for the candle closure and I took the trade on the next candle. And it came back down and retested the whatever the fuck this is. This hourly fair. We inversed. That was the whole basis. We inversed on S&P 500 this hourly fair value gap. Very important. So I hope you stayed and watched and listened, because duh. So we inverse that, and then I start looking for setups. Sorry guys, I've been in fucking trading for like what? Only like an hour and 20 minutes actually. My memory is cooked, but that's why we journal, right? Anyway, we inverse this. I take the trade at the top. We come in and retest and fill this fair value gap. So this is a low time frame trade, just scalped the 1 minute. We test the inversion, and then bloop, I just get sent to TP. I took partials like at the midpoint of my profit range. So I can't complain. I made some money today. And if you guys have any freaking recommendations on videos to make, leave them in the comments. Show me what's up. I want to know what you guys want to see. Because at least I hit a banger today. Yesterday was rough. I had to reset the account, if you guys don't know, if you didn't see. So I want a fresh account, but at least I'm up 150 now. Let's see. I don't know why that's not changing right there. Oh well. I'm not complaining. That's my drawdown. So the lower that is, the better. But yeah, yesterday I just took a really bad trade. The contract sizes were huge, and I tried to even de-risk, but I got stopped out, and I was already so far down in drawdown. I just full ported it, and it didn't go my way. So I was like, fuck it, I'm resetting, because I had the free reset. I'm not going to make that a habit, because when it comes to the real deal, there is no reset button. Something to keep in mind. But yeah, clean 1 hour inverse fair value gap. Come down, retest this fair value gap. Inverse out of it. take the trade, let it ride. Here's my socials right here. If you want to go follow me on that and see what else I have to say. I posted a video specifically on my YouTube yesterday for a short. That's not on the other ones though. But there's going to be stuff on there that you can see. You can check out my last video and subscribe. That would be fucking sweet. But without anything further ado, that's it for me. Hope you guys have a good one. Deuces.